Hey guys, Lazy Panda Sherina here and welcome back to my channel. I can't believe it's almost Christmas. I have my tree up ready, I've got my presents wrapped, and I've already discussed with my mom what our Christmas feast is going to look like, so we already know what's on the menu. If you didn't tell by the title of the video, I am back with another Hanfu review video for you guys. Now, if you didn't know already or are new to my channel, I actually buy all my Hanfus from Taobao just because they have so many unique designs, patterns and styles as well. Plus, ever since I was a little girl, growing up with TVB and watching the historical dramas, I absolutely loved the outfits and I really wanted to get myself one as well because look at the big flowy sleeves, they're so cool. Today's video is sponsored by TokCommerce. They are a professional shopping agent and freight forwarder for popular Chinese e-commerce platforms such as Taobao, Tmall, Weidan, 1688 and Youpo. TokCommerce also offers super cheap and efficient shipping services to many different countries, and I got my orders within 2 weeks of purchase. I've always wanted a Ming Dynasty styled Hanfu because look how elegant and beautiful this dress looks like when it's all put together. I opted for the contrasting colors of this blue overcoat, the red skirt, and of course the beautiful cream white collars. The tops have full embroidery along with some pearl details, whereas the skirt is printed with a beautiful design of lotus flowers all over it, which represents purity. I left you guys the link of this particular Hanfu in my description box below, along with the TokCommerce details. This dress does come in the full red set as well, so feel free to check it out. If you haven't tried on a Ming Dynasty styled Hanfu, I highly recommend it because it's so unique and different. I'm gonna try and get my mom to wear this particular Hanfu and so I can take some photos of her because she's always asking me when is she going to get to wear my Hanfus, and I think this style might actually suit her. So maybe I might share a sneak peek when I do take some photos of her in it. Anyways, don't forget to follow me on my blog and Instagram to check out what I get up to daily, and hit that subscribe and like button if you'd like to see some more Hanfu related content or just some more videos from me. And that brings us to the end of the video, but I hope to see you in my next one. Bye!